Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing easy hairstyles for short hair. As you can see, my hair is pretty short. This is actually long for me, but I can't cut it yet until my dance recitals are over. So without further ado, okay, so the first hairstyle I'm going to do is a bun at the top of my head. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I don't have a mirror. I'm kind of just doing this without looking in the mirror, which I don't know if that's the best idea. But the first thing you're going to do is put your hair up like this into like a half up, half down situation. And you want to make sure you have enough hair, especially when your hair is short, because the bun is not going to be that big and it's just going to look weird. So make sure you get enough hair up there. And then get yourself a hair tie and tie it up. Alright, so hopefully that looks good because I can't tell, obviously. And sorry about my poofy hair. Whenever I use this brush, it gets poofy, but this is the only one I could find. Alright, now you're going to start twisting the piece of hair that comes out from the half up, half down, and start forming it into a bun, obviously. You can style it however you like. You could put a headband or tie a bandana up. Girl, that would be so cute. This is rough, okay? I did this without looking in the mirror, so it's not terrible, but this does not look incredible. But this will not be the thumbnail for sure. My camera has been really foggy, so I'm just trying to like make sure it looks fine, but this is the first hairstyle. Alright, for the next hairstyle, first let's just take out my hair. Ow, this hurt. Oh, the hair tie is stuck in my hair. This always happens. How about you? Next hairstyle, we're going to be doing space buns. Now, these are so cute. And this is definitely inspired by The Sims. Come on, like. So the first thing you're going to do is part your hair down the middle. Let's tie this one to the side so that it doesn't get mixed in with the other one. Cute. Okay, so now you're going to want to brush this one up. Into like a high ponytail. This is kind of difficult actually to do it to the side. I don't hate that. Alright, now you're going to twist it again just like the other one. And form it into your little bun. Oh, I actually kind of like that. It's cute. Oh, I like this hairstyle. I never do this one. It's actually really easy. I absolutely love that. Okay, let's do the next one. Try to make sure that it's even, like the same height, or else that would look kind of strange. Unless you're going for that, that's cool too. Really? I have to redo it. love this look. Oh my, I'm trying to take a thumbnail picture. Hello. This look is so cute. I would take some pieces out the front just to kind of make it more, just to add something to it, some detail. I love this hairstyle. It's really easy. That is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna take some pictures because I like this. Okay, so for the next hairstyle, I'm going to be doing French braid pigtails. French braid pigtails. I love this. Okay. So for the next one, we're going to be doing 2 braids, and I already did the first one. Okay, so that's going to be the end of this video. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications on so you don't miss any videos, and that's all. Bye!